this is a password to start the exam, and here this is the password that allow user to quite exam or safe exam browser, safe exam browser. Imagine you are a student and you have this file. Yes, this file sent to student, and this is
Bar the official source of technology and education. Subscribe and stay connected.
okay. You already installed Safe Exam Browser successful, yes, and you have interface look like this. You want to do what you want to configure your Safe Exam, because installing Safe Exam Browser is easy, but the real power of Safe Exam Browser is in the configuration. One long settings, a student can cheat. Open Google, use Alt plus tab, open notes, escapes the exam. But after this tutorial, you will learn how to professionally configure Safe Exam Browser like real university, school, and other school certification center administrator. Today, I will guide you step by step through the general settings, security settings, browser restriction, kiosk mode, password protection, application blocking, creating secure save files, testing the final secure exam environment. By the end of this video, you will know how to transform a normal Windows computer into full locked secure online exam system using Safe Exam Browser. Now I will let start configuring Safe Exam Browser in our Windows. So now what we are going to do is open SEB configuration tool. This is a SEB configuration tool. Use it to configure or secure online exam system using Safe Exam Browser tool. And run as administrator. After run as administrator, you will see the interface will look like this. This is the settings we saw. I told you this is general config file, use interface browsers, download and upload exams and what. But now we are going to start on the general setting. And the general setting, this is the URL of your quiz. For example, should be the e-learning quiz, Google quiz. For example, on Google should do Google Forms, Google, and now create some simple quiz. So yes, we're going to create some more simple quiz to test. This is a quiz. There's a quiz. Online quiz. Online quiz. Online quiz. For example, sample question. What is the largest country on the world? That's the question, and the check is as make this quiz, yes, and set the and this is a mark, yes, like a 5, and now I think this is a quiz, yes, and you should do set You should do set your the correct answer. Let's set reaction. Reaction. Yes. The and now you see this is a quiz. Yes, this is a quiz. When someone open this quiz, they say is what is the largest country and answer, but when you are using safe exam browser, to not look like this, because here you should do straight tabs, you should use ChatGPT, you should use another AI's tools, and you should use the shortcuts. But now we are going talking our Windows only you can access interface of your exam. Yes. Now our link, URL link, we paste it here. Yes. This is our URL link. Yes, this is our URL link, and to open the exam, this is make SEB automatically open the exam page now, and we are going to enable to add password. Yes, add the password on our exam quiz. This is password. For example, admin exam at 2026, and confirm it exam at 2026. Exam at 2026. Exam at 2026, and this is a password for this is a password to start the exam, and here this is the password that allow user to quit exam or safe exam browser. This is to use it to unlock or quit exam. So also should to put this password. There is, and then exam 2026 exam. And it's six is this is a password now. Our piece is full configured and ready come in the configure files. In the configure file we have settings, setting an exam, configuration, configuring current, and open different windows. Here we choose starting exam, and choose identity to be used for encrypting files. If you would use Microsoft, if you would use your phone, if you would use what, but here and not necessary. And here you should save settings. This is about our file, yes. And here if you set password, for example, and here this is This is about user interface. Yes, user interface. User interface or how the browse use mode. Use browser windows. You can set choose full screen mode. When you use full screen mode, means that no one can see the thumb. You see my screen how it is looking. This is how when your exam will be look like. And if this is a browser window toolbar, if you check it, the examiner or the student can see this on his device, but you leave it. And to enable zoom to allow students to zoom, no problem. And to mute audio control, allows control support it. You have to check if you want to allow students when they are typing, they can see the suggestion word. And this is a background color. I should choose another one. And let's go on the browser. Yes, on browser. Here it is link request to be opened in new browser windows. Yes. New browser windows zoom block when directing. This is the main default, but this is it is not. This is should allow to reload exam, allow navigation back and forward in exam. We should do it, no problem. Show URL, you should show it or not, not show it, and should block some browsers. And this is about the exam. Here you should use this browser exam key and configuration key, but it is not necessary. And there are many things, many. Even the hotkey, the upload and upload, should choose allow to downloading files, allow to uploading files, allow to do what and do what. And then after all those, you come back here. What you do here, you come on the file when you have been full set it up and click on save as. After click on save as, you choose where do you want to save. What do you want to save? For example, in the desktop, and type final exam to save. This final exam to save. Yeah. This. Then click on this here. This is the file name. Then click on save. After clicking on save, we get these settings have been saved. Use this file to configure local settings of SEB client. Yes. Yeah. And after doing this, we are going to check. We are going to open these files, this same file, as you see here, and check if the exam website opens, if a tab is blocked, the Windows key is blocked, task manager is blocked, a browser restricted, and the quiet password working ever. If you work correctly, your safe browser configuration will be complete. Yes. And I think if this video helped before, really subscribe, but I think you click on like first. So, and here we are going to test our SEB files. This is our SEB file. We are going to check. Yes. We are going to right click, open with, SEB exam browser. Safe exam browser. Imagine you are a student and you have this file. Yes, this file sent to student, and this safe exam browser file is going to use to lock our computer. This is launching. It is preparing file to start exam. They asked us. This is here. You click on no. In order, these settings will not be used in the next time. Yes, and after clicking on no, to start to locking your computer, full computer, and this is here the screen you are seeing, and this is our quiz. This is a Google quiz, and you should also use your e-learning quiz or other e-learning platforms to make the exam. And nothing is here where you cannot use ChatGPT, you cannot use you cannot minimize, you cannot maximize or to see anything. And here the online quiz, you should answer your quiz. Remember, in our quiz we searched the Russia is the real answer, and you should submit and get who result. As we did it, you should official result or to get result. Yes, and now after we are going to exit in SEB. To exit, remember we set up the password used to quit or exit safe exam browser. In order, this is the password used by teacher or lecturer in order student cannot exit safe exam browser. Yeah, and yes, now we have exiting the safe exam browser. This is the how we configure full complete safe exam browser. So bye bye. Like this video, share your students, share your institution, teachers, and like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel to get real-time skills.